I give you this job, and you better do it right. Don't fuck this shit up or I'll gut you like a fish and use your intestine as party streamers.
Motivational as always.
Honestly, you should do TED Talks.
Alright. You heard the boss. Don't fuck this up.
Me? Dude, you got the photo. I'm just an emotional support criminal. Is that him?
Unless if there's another dude rocking that shirt outside of retirement luau, then yeah.
Look shorter in person.
He's sitting down. Gravity works. Alright, genius.
Man, there's like some messed up version of this if the office meets Marcos.
No, more like Brooklyn Nine-Nine if Jake and Bo were broke and desperate.
Alright.
Seriously?
What? It's crime, dude. At least make it fashionable.
Bro, what is this? A Coachella heist?
Listen, man, just because I ain't buy a bunny doesn't mean I can't rob somebody while looking good.
Man, this is not Breaking Bad. You're not Jesse Pinkman with glitter.
Bitch!
Bro, stop fucking around.
Let's go.
Hurry.
Hey, the boss sent us.
Wait, what? Why is he so heavy?
That weight, get it?
He's not dead, idiot.
Yet. Come on, let's go. I'll get him. Alright. Smooth. Let's go. Alright, we set him up.
What is this? Uber pool?
What if you give us 5-star, buddy?
We got him. What questions you got?
Hey, yo. Toast to your slap, bro.
Yeah, grab some meat too.
Uh-huh.
Yo, you see he's like the wrong guy. I don't have to tell the boss.
Don't know. He's sitting down watching TV like it's Sunday brunch.
Hey boss. Watching TV, huh?
Must be nice.
Listen, we got an issue.
Look, that's him over there.
Yo, Bob! These beans are fire, bro!
Yo, Luis, what did I say, dude? Don't fuck this shit up! Get out of here, dude! Get the fuck out of here!
What do we do now?
We're dead. We're dead. We're like body badly dead.
Shut up, I'm brainstorming. No deaths, no identities.
No, I'm not being a Todd. Shut up.
Yeah, sorry about this.
Let's go.
Wait, you're just gonna leave me here?
You'll be fine. You'll figure something out.
Unbelievable.
Hello? Is anybody out there? Shit. Hello? Is anyone there? What the fuck?